Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Freeda wig. I'm biased. I love these. I think they're really beautiful investment pieces. I'm glad that they specify that because these are not cheap wigs, but they're also not cheaply made. They're very nice quality pieces, which I'll get into in just a moment. This particular unit is the Riva Short. This is a straight piece that is 14 inches all over. So every single bit of hair is 14 inches. You can kind of see that when I turn to the side. Even the stuff at the nape is 14 inches. This gives it a very soft, layered effect. This is a classic mid-length, being 14 inches, so it's neither too long or too short. It's basically Baby Bear's porridge, and it's a flattering length on just about everybody. This color is a 6-2 blend, you know, 6-2, what's missing? It's a 4. So basically the overall appearance from far away is kind of a 4, which is a natural dark brown. But in actuality, when I get close up, you can see this is a blend of two different colors. One is a 6, this lighter sort of medium brown color, and the other is a 2, which is a much darker sort of espresso brown. When I get close up to the light like that, and heck, even from far away, you can probably see that this is relatively shiny. But it is not because of product that's been applied to the hair. It is not because of glossers or anything like that. I have not straight ironed this wig. This is just really healthy hair. It's virgin, so it hasn't been color processed and it hasn't been permed. So this one was curled. They curl set it a little bit here at the bottoms before they shipped it to me. They do style the wigs before they send them, but this is more or less straight out of the box. You can see this has a beautiful, natural, low profile. That is right up against my head. Now it does help, FYI, that I have shaved my head, because that means that none of my hair is under here bunching up and weirding out the profile of the wig. So if you want that kind of glass hair, sleek, kind of right up against the head appearance, you'll want to consider cutting your hair really short. And that's part of what the under the cap game is about, is getting that hair under your cap as compressed as possible and restrained as well as you can. So that way the wig not only lays securely, but flat up against your scalp. Now, some wigs are going to have a lot of permatease or something like that built in that will give you extra body and bounce, and that's actually something that is a big pro if you like synthetics, because if you want that kind of volume in a wig like this, it's going to be hard to achieve without teasing the wig and actually teasing it, which, yeah, you know, I think that these are more well suited for people who like a natural, chic, and very sleek appearance on top, because there is no permatease or underlying structure that will kind of keep the hair up. So you'd have to tease it and then spray it and all that stuff. And when you get into that kind of routine, unless you like that routine, you're better off with a synthetic. I'm gonna go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Riva Short looks like on all sides. I'm going to go ahead and take Riva Short off now so I can show you the cap construction. This wig is completely closed capped. It has wefts in the back. It does stretch a little bit. She has a 100% hand-tied monofilament French drawn top, which will give you the appearance of a natural scalp up here on the top. That silk chiffon layer that's on top of the monofilament hides the knots and makes this look very natural. There's a flex comb at the front hairline here. It doesn't do me any good because I don't have any hair, and if you're in that boat and you buy a wig like this, you can always take this out with a seam ripper and add either silicone strips or polyurethane to your cap instead. You also have pressure sensitive clips on each ear tab, an extended nape, and it adjusts with these hooks here. You wanna go in there sometimes they fight you. There we go. And then over here, and if that annoys you or they pop out a lot, you can use a single stitch to keep those in place. You don't have to be good with a sewing kit, it's very simple. And then there you have that. That's the cap. No lace front, no felt at the front hairline, so if you require any of those features, talk to Freeda and they may be able to put those into this wig when you buy it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on now. So there you have it. This has been the Riva short by Freeda. And I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Make sure you subscribe to this and our Color Spotlight channel, which is called CysterWigs 2. And until then, as in like CysterWigs and the number 2, not CysterWigs 2, as in like T-O-O. Like no, it's the number 2. So CysterWigs 2. And that way you don't miss any of our upcoming content. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.